Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to see who shared your reels on Facebook. So, as of my last update, Facebook doesn't have a built in feature that allows you to see who shared your reels directly. However, you can still get some insights by following this step by step. So, first, sometimes when someone shares your reel, you might either receive a notification. So, what we have to do is open our Facebook application and then we are going to navigate to the notifications tab, which is just right here at the top. From here, we are going to see if there are any notifications indicating that our reel was shared. Another thing is sometimes when someone shares your reel, they might also comment on it. If you notice comments from people you don't recognize, it could indicate that someone shared your reel with their friends and followers. Another thing is if you have close friends or followers who regularly interact with your content, they might share your reel with you directly via Facebook Messenger or other messaging platforms. We should actually keep an eye on our direct messages for any shared reels. So we should remember that Facebook features and functionalities may change over time. So it's a good idea to periodically check for some updates at the Google Play Store. And we should remember that Facebook features and functionalities may change over time. So it's a good idea to periodically check for updates or announcements regarding new features related to Reels or post insights. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.